Hi. Hi.
Get a picture of that. Wait, that's right, you can do a video.
Hi! Are you gonna roll back over?
Hi, come on.
Nathan just rolled from his back to his belly.
Come on, Fatso. What did you call him, Fatso, he said.
He went that way. Actually, he went the other way, but...
It's his shoulders that's in your way, buddy. Give me a... Come on now. Come on now. Here we go.
Okay, but he didn't have help before.
What's that?
Nathan! Are you gonna roll? Can't roll that way. You can't roll that way.
Howie. Boom. Oh, so tough that way. Here, you want me to move your elbow a little bit? There, now try it. Now you can do it.
Hi! Okay, bye! I'm really rolling a lot. But I just started rolling from my back to my belly.
Broccoli, celery, onion.